Hello everyone, today I would like to share with you how to replace this what I call it ABS ringtone or whatever like ring. We want an ABS read for the sensor. They have like magnet to read the sensor. This one is 2010 Mercedes C300, even you know 08, even 12. If you change this one, it's very much the same. All of them Mercedes, they make even some BMW or Volkswagen. I remember Audi, I do exactly the same time, but sometimes depend on the model. But the Mercedes always like this. Okay. So what do you need? You need wrench 18, the socket 32-inch 12-point. Another thing they call it TS 12 mil. Like this, TS 12 mil. Like that's all you need. Remove the caliper, remove the rotor, remove the upper control arm, the trailing arm, not control arm. It's two trailing arm and the one in the front. I'm going to show you step by step. You don't remove too much. Just remove two trailing arm on the top one. Remove the caliper assembly and remove in the front and the car like trailing arm too. Anyway. Okay, we let's do together. Very easy, not a big deal. But I mean, like you have the tool like this, and the 18 rod, and then 32 socket 12-point. Okay, let's do together. Second one over here, how to see that. Only now, if you want to bend this one over, I'm going to show you later on. If you want to bend over, you can see that. Bend the bucket plate. Okay. Here now, the next one over here, the back one. Right here. Same. another one in the far work. It's hard, okay? I will show you after you move it. Move the ABS. More room. Okay, so now we have to bend this one down like this. Get the sap out. Or you can use 17 socket to hold like this. Put the socket on just like this, or you like this. Gotta get the pipe. Gotta put the socket on better. 17 socket to bend over. See? But you need bend more. Too low like this. Here, tension. Handbrake a little bit, move the handbrake cable. Okay, hold like this. See that tension? Socket tension. Okay, you want not enough room, jack it up more and high a little bit, and then you have a lot of room. But for me, like this, I hold like this, and then I can do it. Take the sap out. Get a handbrake cable, hold it so you can move the handbrake cable a little bit, and that's it. You see that one, the torn spring, it's completely gone. The ABS sensor right over here. Yeah, I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna show you guys. Look, it's broken the ring. And I'm going to remove this one. broken that body, right? So now we clean them up. This one. Perfect. This one and first, the bottom one and first. Okay, put the nut on first. Okay, so now what we have to do. There. Now what do you do this one? Okay, done. So thank you for your watching my video. See you next video. Ciao.